just honest travel. Welcome to the Honest Travel Guide. So, hello! Here am I again. This time we have booked the Shangri-La Golden Sands in Penang in Malaysia. We booked just a normal room with a city view, including breakfast, and I would like to show you how our room look like. We start with our bathroom because that is the closest. We have a big sink here and a big mirror, a toilet and a bathtub, and the shower is in the bathtub. So it is small, but you have enough space. And then we have the bedroom. It's a big king-size bed with a sofa so you can relax. There is a little desk over here. The view is not that spectacular. It's overlooking the hills and the high-rise buildings. And we are here in Batu, Ferringhi. So that's the most popular place here in Penang for spending time on the beach. Over here we have a television. We didn't use it. In case you're interested, this is a connecting door. So if you book 2 rooms, you can connect the rooms to each other. Here also a little sofa, or you can put your suitcases on it. And then over here we have the mini bar. It's empty when you arrive, but you have 3 bottles of water you can use. And you can boil your own water. Then here we have a cabinet. So you can hang up your clothes, so your pants or your dresses. And then over here we have the safe. So it's also important that you can stuff your valuable things in here. And overall, if you had a long journey, you can iron your clothing so that you look good in the evening. If you need an extra pillow, it's also available. And then let's see what's in here. Extra storage. And over here, flip-flops, so you can use them.
Like this video, please like and subscribe. This really helps our channel. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.